And so why this new update from HubSpot is important is the custom assistance essentially allows you to build these custom agents inside of HubSpot. So custom assistants essentially allow you to create your own, pull in your own prompts, and then be able to use this. And instead of having to like jump over to another screen to be able to ask questions or have it do tasks, you can do this all inside of HubSpot. If you go into HubSpot inside the custom assistance area, we've built a client example finder. And what this is essentially one of the questions that comes up so frequently in sales conversations and from our existing clients is like, hey, do you have a client that's done this kind of thing in the past? Have you that's done this kind of campaign, or have you worked with clients in this kind of vertical in the past? Our delivery team and our sales teams, they don't know every single client that SmartBug has ever worked with. And so for them to be able to understand that, in many cases, for likely many of you, you probably have to go dig into your CRM. You have to go dig into your Google Drive or whatever drive system you use to figure out if you've worked with a similar type of client. But what the custom assistant that we've built essentially allows you to just go ask a question. Have we worked with a client in this type of industry, in this type of project? And then it goes and surfaces all of these types of examples. And so where you access this from essentially is if you go, once you build out the assistant, you click at the very top right, you can then decide what type of assistant you want to pull from. This is saving our sales team probably an hour per client that they're talking with. So I really recommend you start to think about like, what are the different types of assistants that will save your team a little bit of time that you can go build out inside of HubSpot.